going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool with Colin.
Chucky, I didn't say.
Get your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having a great day so far. Got a sovereign citizen, Judge Taylor, out of the 36th district in Detroit. The sovereign citizen calls in by the phone, does not turn his camera on, so we kind of have to struggle through not being able to see them, but still a sovereign citizen. All right, before I hit that play button, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe, do your jump kick backflips. Let's go.
Reginald Worthy.
Yes.
All right. It's my understanding that you want to handle your own matter. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Reginald Tyrone Worthy. This is ticket SP 121800. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 1348856. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while unlicensed. Ticket SP 1362290. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, failed to display a valid operator's license. Sir, can you state your names for the record, please?
Reginald Tyrone Worthy, beneficiary.
All right. This is the date and time set in these particular matters. I believe for an arrangement on a bench warrant. I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf. How do you wish to proceed in these matters, sir?
Innocent.
Okay. So your options, you have the absolute right to have an attorney. You understand that, sir?
I'd like to represent myself.
That's fine. I'm just you have the absolute right to have an attorney. I'm just going to give you, I should have started off by saying this and I apologize. I'm going to give you some of the rights that you have just so I can make it clear on my record that you have these rights. You do not have to have an attorney unless I find that you're unable to proceed properly with the rest of the case. Then I can assign an attorney, but I'll allow you the opportunity to represent yourself. You understand that, sir?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. And the reason why you're afforded the opportunity to have an attorney, because these cases that I listed today are misdemeanors. And with misdemeanors come certain penalties, potential penalties. That's up to a $500 fine. And misdemeanors of the driving nature, some of them are 93 days and some of them are 90 days maximum in our Wayne County Jail. Do you understand that, Mr. Worthy? I apologize, Mr. Worthy.
No, I don't understand all that.
Okay, so the state legislator has decided that some of these cases will have penalties that could potentially put you into jail, and it's statute based, and it's at the court's discretion whether or not I can charge you a fine or I can sentence you to a term of jail in these particular matters. And because of that,
so
then your rights kick in.
Are you trying to contract with me? Are you trying to do a contract?
I'm not trying to do a contract with you. I'm stating what's called the law.
Well, motion to dismiss.
Okay, so that motion to dismiss is denied.
I mean, I think that should be his response to every question. Do you understand what I'm saying? Motion to dismiss. Do you want to continue to represent yourself? Motion to dismiss. I mean, I think he's killing it right now. He's knocking it out of the park.
So I'm giving you the law so that you can understand the options that you have today are going to be that you can request a pre-trial in these matters. You can request a bench trial in these matters, or you can request a jury trial in these matters. Those are the three options that we have. But I always like to make sure you understand the law and why certain rights kick in the way that they do. Okay.
Motion to dismiss.
All right, that's denied. I don't have a proper motion before me, and I don't just dismiss stuff because there's a motion to dismiss. Has to be a basis and a reason for me to dismiss a case, okay? So how would you like to proceed today, Mr. Worthy?
Motion to dismiss.
All right. If you don't participate in the hearing, I'm going to leave the cases in warrant status because I don't have anything further to do. I'm trying to give you some options here today. And the options are, you can ask for a pretrial, you can ask for a bench trial, or you can ask for a jury trial.
Motion to dismiss. I mean, if I keep saying that, you're gonna have to eventually grant it, right? That's how it works. I think so. But she's very calm right now. Generally, she's kind of smiling and laughing at sovereign citizens, but maybe she doesn't quite understand he's a sovereign citizen yet. I don't. Yeah, she has to. She has to know. But she is extremely calm during this.
Okay, we'll have a jury trial.
Okay.
We'll have a jury trial.
All right. All right. So my next jury trial date is October the 14th. That's at 9:30 a.m. We have to have a final pretrial that Friday before, though, because I have to make sure we're still going. So I'll set it for October 11th.
So you're not trying to contract with me, right?
No, I don't do contracts. I don't have the authority
Okay.
to do a contract.
Okay.
These are tickets. Okay, so we have a final pretrial, just to make sure you still want to go on October 11th. That's via Zoom.
Yep.
The trial is in person though on October 14th at 9:30 a.m. in my courtroom, 337 at 36th District Court. Yes, you had a question?
And the injured party will be there?
The officers will be there. Yes, the officers who issued the tickets, they'll appear before court. Mm-hmm.
Injured party, yes. That's the injured party, right? Okay.
Well, it's not an injured party. These are criminal matters, and that's why I always try and explain it. We don't have injured parties in criminal matters. We have a person who issued a ticket.
So he trying to contract then? That's the person trying to contract with me?
So these are tickets issued. These are not contracts. Contracts are when people sit down and they negotiate terms and conditions. And based on those terms and conditions, both parties come to a meeting and an agreement on something. This is just a violation, an alleged violation of one of our laws, statutes in the city of Detroit that has been alleged that has been violated. So it's just been a ticket that's issued.
I don't agree with that.
You don't have to agree, but this is what the law is.
I mean, I don't agree to it. Motion dismissed. I'm telling you. And I finally understand why they say you're trying to contract with me. It just clicked. I always thought that was weird, never really cared enough. It just clicked. Yeah, interesting.
Okay.
I don't agree to it. No problem.
Do you want the jury trial or no? You don't have to agree to it. Okay. So we're going to have it on October 14th. Pre-trial is on October 11th. Okay, at 10 a.m. via Zoom. Like I said, the jury trial is in person though, on October 14th. Okay. All right. If there's nothing further, your bond will continue. As of right now, I will allow you to represent yourself in these particular matters.
I would like to know where could I need to know file a claim. I need to file a claim.
What kind of claim?
A claim against your agents.
You want to file a complaint against the police officers?
want to file a claim. If they trying to contract with me, I want to
So
file a
when
claim
you
too.
say claim, we don't have, this is criminal law. So they're not claims in criminal law, sir. That's civil. This is not civil. Okay. This is why this is criminal in nature. So they're not claims. That's why you have the opportunity to, yes. That's why I was trying to explain to you that as misdemeanors, there are rights that can be taken away, and that's why we encourage you to want to have counsel appointed or to find your own counsel, because then particular liberties are in question at that point in time, because of how the statutes are written in the city of Detroit and a lot of cities and states. So that's why we encourage you, because they're civil in nature, which means we can take away your ability to be in the community. So.
No. Okay. Like I said, I just need the injured party there, whoever trying to contract with me. So your officers are trying to hold a contract, and I like for them to be there.
Yeah, that's what we do. That for jury or bench trials, either one. The officers are required to come for tickets. Yes.
Okay. So the injured party there, that's no problem.
All right. I feel like this guy has 3 lines. Motion to dismiss. I'm not entering into a contract, and injured party. Well, I guess he did say he's the beneficiary. This guy's a new sovcit. He hasn't been studying the script too long. He's saying the same things over and over again. Anyway, Prosecutor Mason's about to chime in. She just joined. Prosecutor Mason, she jumps back and forth between Judge Taylor and Judge Perkins' courts at the exact same time. She generally has 2 pairs of headphones on. Looks like she only has one on. Anyways, I'm going to let this video play out. You guys have a great rest of your afternoon. Please hit that like button if you haven't. Until next time. Bye.
So, Your Honor, for the record, D. Chiku Mason, City of Detroit, 4347. When I came in the middle of this, so.
He would like to have, Mr. Worthy would like to have a jury trial in these matters on my docket. They are at the bottom of page 1, underneath the 8:30 docket. We're scheduling for a jury trial on October 14th. They're all no insurance or drove while unlicensed tickets, type tickets. No license, unlicensed. Okay. All right. There's nothing further, sir. Bond will continue at $0. We'll see you for your final pre-trial on October 11th via Zoom. I need to be able to see you too, but since you're coming in, I guess the phone is okay, because I'm gonna have to physically see you on that day.
So Mr. Lawan Denard Walker, is this Mr. Lawan Denard Walker, Your Honor?
No, this is Mr. Reginald Worthy.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought that this we're doing. Okay. Sorry,
Okay.
Mr. Worthy. I'm sorry. Okay.
Mr. Worthy, but write it down. He's asking for a jury trial on October 14th. Okay. All right, Mr. Worthy. Bond will continue at $0 at this time.
No problem.
All right. That concludes this hearing. We'll see you for these matters, okay?